Okay, selamat kembali ke part 2 of image manipulation. Right, again, now kita akan lihat apa two more features here, which is picture preview and then resizing the photo lah. Okay, picture preview ini is actually just show the actual photo, actual file size of the video. Okay, whereby if you press 1 to 1, dia akan zoom into the 100% of the gambar lah. Okay, now to go the middle button sini, if you notice there's a middle button here, is actually going to full screen. Full screen is actually just basically just cover up everything and then buat satu layer tu lah. Okay, and if you remember screen grab, this button is it, whereby okay, you notice, you remember ini kan from our previous videos, you just click and drag saja what you want. Let's say I want ambil ini saja, okay, and once this done, you press done. Okay, after that, to close, you notice an X here lah, you just close saja. Okay, now where's the picture, you might ask, gimana dia? What you have to do now is tekan Control V, di mana gambar ini akan keluar. Okay, now the next one I will show you is actually here, this one, height and width, log aspect ratio and reset size. Okay, and then this part here is actually the height and the width based on the centimeter lah. Okay, so what does log aspect ratio mean is actually when you resize your gambar kan, for Excel or PowerPoint and all that, we have to tekan shift in order for it to be standard. Kalau tidak, we just click and drag saja, dia memang akan jadi log based on the ratio lah. See, notice that I don't have to, I can be free hand on my mouse. If let's say I were to untick this one, dia akan, if let's say I click, notice dia tidak macam ratio, jadi gemuk saya. Okay, or if I want to go kurus, macam itulah, that's how you edit there lah. Boleh? So, if let's say, okay, you messed up, you want to start all over, what do? Press on the reset size. That's right. So that is how you're going to actually screen grab using picture view, as well as resizing your photos. Next, we'll be talking more about the colors and the picture effects. I'll see you in the next video.